Let's see another problem from the LeetCode. It's a reverse nodes in key group, and this is the hard problem. Let's try to make it easy to solve this. So the problem is here. There is a linked list, and we need to reverse this in a k group. So like in this example, we have been given 2. So that means we need to reverse this 2 to 1. So that's you see 2 1 and then 4 3, and here we do not have the 2 items, so just we leave this like this. So that's the problem here, and the way I'm going to solve this is here we create, like, let's take example 1 2 3 4 5, and in this example, yeah, maybe first we can see this logic, and then after that we'll come back to the code. Yeah, code, we have the few lines of the code, but it's very difficult to understand until unless we get the idea. So here in the new head we have or we have the 1 2 3 4 5, and then I will create the new head where I'll put the 0 and the 0 here, and there's a smaller set, and I'm just using this a smaller set as a temporary variable here. But in a new head we'll have this data, and then we need to sort with this two. So the kth item is 2. So if I say kth, so in this case kth is 2, this item, and the next is 3. Then what I do, then in that case now I will have 0 to 1 and 0 to 1, and then break the link, break the link, and we know that we have already saved the next link 3 4 5 in this 3 next. So 3 4 5 continued from here. So break the link here. Now we have 0 to 1 in both, and then we'll just take this smaller set here in a smaller set next. So if I say a smaller set next is 1 2, so this is the smaller set. Now if I say smaller set next is 1 2, and take that and just reverse that, then in that way we'll get the 2 1. So if I say smaller set next, this is just 1 2, and we have already broke the link. So 1 2 and reverse 1 2, then it reverse becomes 2 1. So 2 1 here. As soon as we reverse here, it will change here also, because we have the similar nodes in the both. So we are done, and then after that again we have next, we have already saved now, and this is reverse 2 1. So from here we can connect the link from 2 1, the next is 3 4 5, and a smaller set has, we'll update the smaller set, and in a smaller set we update this to 1 3 5 in a such a way that what is the 1, then we can say that 1 is the beginning of this window, and this beginning of this window 1 we put here. So now we'll see the kth item. So this time the kth item is, so from we'll find the kth item from this smaller set. So if you see the smaller set here, so from here kth item 2, if I say this is the fourth one I will take, and that's the kth item here. Yeah, I have added one additional here, but this is the fourth is the next, and the next is the fourth is the kth item, and the next is the 5. Again we'll have 0 2 1 3 4 1 3 4, and we do not take this 5, and then we'll reverse this 4 3, we'll reverse 3 4 to 4 3, and then connect, because we already have the save, the next we connect with here, and the next time we'll have only the 3 and the 5. And from the kth item, if I try to find the kth item from here, we'll get the null, because we do not have the 2, because the 3 is we are already one additional things, but we'll count from here, and then we do not have the other item, and then we'll break. So that's the logic here. And yeah, from here at least you will have some idea like what is happening in this. So now based on this, I will run this code and I will debug this code, and then from here we'll get the clear idea like what's happening here. So just let me set my debugger point here, run it. So if you see, we have 1 2 3 5 in a head, k is 2, k is 2. I will go to the next. Now we have the new head 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. This is a smaller set and the new head has the same. And the new head, I created a new node. So in a new node, initial value is 0, and the next I just put head. So that's why we see 0 0 here. Now we have the loop, and we need to find out kth item. So for this kth item, if you find the smaller set, I just need the next item. So next kth item. So we'll see the logic for the for this kth item also. So in this example, 0 1 2, and I'm passing a smaller set here, 0 1 2 3 4 5, and passing k. So it will give me this 2. So let's see the logic of that. And this is the function for the reverse of the linked list. So you can check my videos for the reverse, and we'll get the same logic over there. So that is for the reverse, the node, and this one is getting the kth item. So for the kth item here, we have 0 1 2, and the k is 2. So if you see k greater than 0, so 2 is greater than 0, then we'll come here and start, we'll go to the next here in this 1 place, and then we decrement k. Now k is 1 is still greater than 0, then one more time it will go to the next item, then start will be start next, then start will come at 2, and k minus 1, k is 0 now, and then come out. So in this way we'll get the 2. So that's the kth. Okay, so we are here. Now we need to find out kth item. So we'll go to the next, and we'll see the kth is 2. So we got the 2. Kth is 2, and 2 3 4 here, and the next kth next. So kth next is 3. So that's, we get the 3. So our window is, kth window is 2 1 2. So the kth item is 2, and the next is 3. Now we'll break this link. So from 2 we'll break the link. Kth next nil. So if you see, we broke the link 1 2 1 2, and we still have the next values in a next variable here 3 4 5. So the next thing is, we'll take this smaller set, and we'll take this next item, a smaller set, and we reverse that. Like before that, we want to know the group start. So group start is from the 1. So in a window, kth window 1 is the group start. So I'm just saving the group start here. We'll get the group start, and the group start is 1 2. That's good. And now we are going to reverse group start. So the group start is 1 2. So we just reverse group start and put that 1 2. If we reverse like 2 1, then put that in a smaller set next. So if you see the smaller set, this one, and this next is 1 2 in reverse, and this becomes 2 3. So let's run this. Not a 2 3 but 2 1. Yeah. So we reverse that, the smaller set next 2 1. So it is 1 2. So, and that's change in a new head and a smaller set also. Now the next thing is, we'll link this one to next. 3 4 5. So that's why group start next. So group start, we have the group start 1, and we already reversed this one here. And if I change, I'll put that group start next. So 1 next. So 1 next is the next, and next has 3 4 5. So as soon as I do that, we have the sorted items here. A smaller set is still this. Now we'll reduce this number, and now we'll say that a smaller set is now group start. So group start was in the beginning, it was from the 1. So that's why we'll put that here, group start 1. So if I run this again, we'll say we have now the smaller thing 1 3 4 5. Okay, good, we are here. And now from 1 3 4 5 we want to get the kth item. So the kth item is here 4. So we'll get the next is 4, kth is 4. We want to get the next item, kth next. So the kth next is 5. So that will first save this and then break the link. So next is here 5, and now we'll break the link. So 1 3, and now we'll see once we break the link there won't be 5. So here now 1 3 5. Then again from the smaller set, next is 3 4. So that's the group start from this 3 4. That's why we have the group start. Group start is 3 4. Then we'll reverse this, and again we'll put that to the smaller set next. Smaller set is this one, and next is 3 4, and we reverse and put that to the 4 3. So now see, it's a 4 3. Now we have the next item 5, just we link to here. So now we have the link, and now a smaller set is just 3. So smaller set 3 3 5. And from here, if you want to find the kth item, we do not have the enough items to find the kth item here. So that's why we'll come to the and if you see, this is already sorted. So just come here, break the loop, and come out. And when I say new head next, then new head, and next is from here to 1 3 4 5, and that's good. So I had already tried this, accepted. Let me submit one more time here. That's good here. And we can also see Java solution. I put the same logic, so you can see the logic here. While true, finding the kth item, breaking that, group start, and reversing. There's the same logic here, and that's for the reverse logic. And this is the finding the kth item. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.